Meaning of .com.
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 .com. The term .com refers to a company or business that conducts its operations primarily online, typically using a .com domain name. This term gained widespread use during the late 1990s and early 2000s, as many internet-based companies began to emerge and experience rapid growth. The popularity of .com businesses eventually led to the .com bubble, followed by a market crash in the early 2000s. Today, .com companies continue to play a significant role in the global economy, powering e-commerce, social media, and other online services.